defense capabilities, our pilots and ground crew will demonstrate what goes on behind the scenes when being called upon to respond to a potential air threat coming into Singapore skies. Hey Beast, do you know where our air crew are running to?
Of course, Parker. The pilots are running to carry out their startup checks to confirm that everything is set up correctly. At the same time, the ground crew ensure that the aircraft is ready to go. The air and ground crew work closely as a team to make sure that the F15 SG are warmed up and ready to go. The F15 SG is equipped with the state-of-the-art avionics, enhanced air-to-air and self-defense capabilities, advanced sensor and network capabilities that provide the pilot with superior situational awareness. It is also a twin-seater with a pilot flying in the front, and the back is controlled by a wisdom system officer who controls the targeting sensors for this F15 SG. It is also a twin-engine all-weather tactical fighter designed for air superiority in aerial combat.
For each aircraft, there is a dedicated crew chief as well as an assistant to handle the pre-flight checks. Both of them are responsible to uphold the functionality of the aircraft. With their dedication and attention to detail, they ensure that the aircraft is operationally ready each time. Let's share with the audience some specifications of our F15 SG. The F15 SG is equipped with state-of-the-art avionics, a sophisticated integrated sensor and network capability which provides the aircraft with exceptional situational awareness. This enhances it to make it an ability to increase the RSAF's ability to deal decisively with future threats and meet critical operational needs. Our F15 SG and longer endurance for counter-air operation missions. It also has the ability to carry a wide variety of both conventional and precision stand-off weapons, making it extremely versatile and lethal.
The infrared track system in the F15 SG. The track has track outlets that fit infrared radiation, such as aircraft and helicopters. And radar, the IRSC system, associated by the radiation and float, making it undetectable. Prior to testing, the pilot set up a weapons and system check to ensure that the aircraft is fully ready. Final arming checks are then carried out by the ground crew. All the pilots and technologists are in the air. As the F15 SGs are taking position towards the runway, we would like to invite SMS King up on stage now to get ready to scramble the fighters. Yes, I just wanted to thank everybody for coming. This is Heng Chi-Hao speaking here on behalf of MINDEF, and I wanted to say that our Air Force is not a fair weather Air Force, but an all-weather Air Force to protect our sovereignty. And the support we get from all of Singapore is not fair weather support, but all-weather support. So thank you very much. Thank you, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, give a big round of applause. And SMS came in 3, 2,